In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a simple client retention process using a CRM. Whether you're new to using a CRM or just looking to improve your client relationships, this step-by-step guide will give you a solid foundation. By the end, you'll have a strategy in place to keep your clients coming back and improve your retention rate with ease. Stick around till the end, because I'll also be giving you an exclusive free trial for the CRM software we're using today, which you won't find anywhere else. So let's dive in. The first thing you need to do is set up a way to track client interactions. A good CRM will allow you to log every touchpoint with your clients: calls, emails, meetings, or even simple notes on their preferences or issues. This makes it easy to look back and see how your relationship is evolving over time. Next, automate your follow-ups. This is the secret to making your client retention process effortless. With the right CRM, you can set reminders or even automatic emails to follow up with clients after a meeting or a purchase. This helps show your clients that you care and stay top of mind without having to manually remind yourself to reach out. Now, you want to segment your clients. This means categorizing them based on different factors like their purchase history, location, or frequency of interaction. By using this info, you can send targeted content or offers that make sense for each specific group. It's all about personalizing your communication to make your clients feel valued and understood. Another critical piece of the puzzle is tracking client satisfaction, whether it's through surveys, feedback forms, or just keeping an eye on how quickly your clients respond to your outreach. The CRM can help you monitor these metrics. If you see any red flags, like a client who hasn't engaged in a while, you can proactively reach out and prevent them from slipping through the cracks. Don't forget about retention campaigns. Use your CRM's built-in tools to launch campaigns aimed at retaining clients, like loyalty rewards or special offers for repeat customers. You can set this up once and it'll run on its own, ensuring you don't miss out on opportunities to keep your clients happy. And finally, track the data. With all your client interactions and follow-ups in one place, you can easily see what's working and what's not. Look at the analytics to fine-tune your approach and make sure your retention strategy is always improving. So, to recap, track your client interactions, automate follow-ups, segment your clients, monitor satisfaction, launch retention campaigns, and track the data. These are the core elements to building a simple client retention process using a CRM. The key takeaway here is that the CRM is your best friend when it comes to building long-lasting relationships with your clients. It helps you stay organized, communicate efficiently, and create tailored strategies that truly make a difference. Remember, if you want to follow along with the exact CRM software we've used today, make sure to check out the exclusive free trial in the description below. This is available only to viewers of my channel, so don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.